back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I am super excited because we have another Lunarly unboxing, and I can tell that this is different than any of the others that I have done. This is going to be the plant because I have done two previous unboxings and they have been candles, but this is definitely a plant. So I want to tell you a little bit about Lunarly just in case you are not aware. First, let me say welcome and thank you for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget we do have a couple active giveaways going on, so definitely check out the links down below for those. But Lunarly is the nature-inspired monthly self-care subscription powered by the new moon. So before every new moon, you'll receive your Lunarly. Inside, you'll find everything you need to set your intentions and grow, like specially curated plants or bespoke candles, wellness products, tools for mindfulness, and more. And this is $40 a month with free shipping. And you can save a little bit if you go ahead and prepay for like 3 months. I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Lunarly. So let's get this open. Now I'm going to take it down a little bit because I need to open it from the top. All right, let's see. This side. Let me try to open this. There we go. All right, so here we have our plant. And then in the bottom is the little box with all of our other goodies. So we have the box and the plant. So let's get to getting the plant out of here and see what it is. Well, that was easy. Okay, they do have it wrapped up very well. You can see it is very, very protected. They have this thing very, very well protected, which I really appreciate. Because when you're shipping live plants, you never know what could happen. Okay. So it looks like we have a gorgeous little aloe plant, y'all. And it is in a ceramic planter. That is so beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna get in here and this will tell us more about it and the moon cycle. So this is what we see when we open the actual box here. And it is the Beaver moon on November 26th. So it says Every eager beaver deserves a break. The past few moons have been about pushing your drive and working to accomplish as much as possible. The beaver moon is about taking time to focus on your well-being instead. What can you do to gift yourself a little rest and relaxation? Set an intention to engage in activities that bring you comfort, whether it's a hot bath with a good book or an evening with friends. An intention to inspire. I am ready to unwind and recharge my spirit. That is so true. So there's that. And then this will tell us about everything in here and how to care for our plants. The plant instructions are there on the back. All right, so this first item right here this is so cute. This is a Lunarly canvas planter. So give your plant some celestial style with this Lunarly canvas planter, perfect for home or for your new plant friend. This canvas container will cover all 4-inch pots and even most 6-inch pots to keep your plant wrapped in comfort and style for months to come. That is cute. So we could just set our little plant in there. Like that. Super cute. All right. Then we have this feels really nice. Lunarly Intention Setting Journal. This is the perfect tool to accompany this month's motivational moon. Keep track of your progress and learn new tips for accomplishing the intentions that you set. And it feels really nice. Like it's, oh, okay. And it's got all kinds of different things for full moons, first quarter moon, new moon, third quarter. That's awesome. And then you can write in the actual moon. So that is really neat. I like that. And now we do always get a crystal or gemstone of some sort with this subscription. So let's see what we got this month. Always comes in this little bag. Oh my goodness, y'all, that is gorgeous. You see that? That is so beautiful. That is so. Aventurine gemstone. Aventurine is known for bestowing luck. This lucky charm will come in handy when taking necessary risk this month. Could have had this when I was in Biloxi. I love that. And I think that actually sitting next to the aloe plant would be really, really pretty. All right, and then we have one more item in here, and this is from Daily Concepts. It's a multi-function soap sponge with charcoal. Welcome to the sense of renewal right down to your pores. Let this detoxifying and exfoliating charcoal soap sponge bring a fresh glow to your face. Gently rub the charcoal-infused sponge over your face in a circular motion. The charcoal works to draw out microparticles and leave you with a more vibrant complexion. Oh, awesome. I think I've gotten one of these in something else, and I really did like it. So I'm excited to have that again. So we got the charcoal face sponge. We got our gemstone, which is gorgeous. We got the intention journal. And then we got the little canvas planter. And of course our actual plant, which is an aloe vera plant, but it does come in a ceramic planter already. And then here on the back, it does give us the directions on how to care for the plant, the light requirements, the water requirements, the optimum temperature, says aloe vera requires very little additional care and only needs pruning to remove old leaves as they fade. All right, so that is the Beaver Moon box from Lunarly. Let me know your thoughts. I'm super excited. I love the idea of having an aloe plant now in my home because aloe vera does have so many beneficial uses, and I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. I do like this little canvas planter, or just even the one that it came with, the stone, the facial cleansing sponge, the charcoal sponge, and the planner. I think this was a fantastic month and probably, y'all, my favorite so far. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get Lunarly? If not, like I said, I will put a link down below if it's something you're interested in checking out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.